Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. The capital markets have reacted to the greater than 1% loss in the Nasdaq, S&P 500 and have jumped back into risk assets. Today, shares in Hong Kong and China gained more than 1%. Japan suffered mixed results, while South Korean and Taiwanese equities saw minor losses. Stoxx 600 Europe is up more than 1%. The Nasdaq futures have risen by almost 1.2%, while the S&P 500 is slightly behind. The Swedish Krona, currently trading at 2.3%, is the G10's best-performing currency, outperforming the US dollar by 2.3%. For the fourth consecutive session, gold traded higher due to a weaker dollar and softening yields. The fourth session also saw a higher March WTI. Asian Pacific market. Japan's Prime Minister Kishida will likely name Kuroda, Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda, next week. The dollar rose against the Japanese yen Monday after reports suggested that Amamiya, the current deputy governor, would be nominated. Separately, Bank of Japan data and MOF data yesterday showed that Japanese investors continue to sell US, Australian, and Danish bonds in December. The US dollar is slightly weaker against the Japanese yen, but it is still within the range established Tuesday. Yesterday, the Australian dollar was softly settled at $0.6925. However, it rebounded today and tested the 0.6985 area. Market of Europe. Germany's January CPI was due January 31. However, it was delayed to today because of a technical adjustment. The base year has been changed to 2020. Inflation in Germany was lower in January before COVID. However, it rose in 2021 and 2022. The trend continued last month. After falling 1.2% in December, the German EU harmonized measure grew 0.5% rather than the 1.3% predicted by Bloomberg's survey. The euro recovered almost a cent after falling to $1.0670 Tuesday. It now stands at 1.0780 in European morning, its highest level since Monday. Sterling is also continuing to recover and is now at $1.2160. Market of America. Today's Fed officials will not speak. The bill auctions and final leg of quarterly refunding are off limits. Only weekly job claims are available. They will be below 200,000 for the fourth consecutive day. This is not the case since April last year. It was tested today and the US dollar was capped at 1.3460 to 1.3475 against the Canadian dollar. It has been offered support and is currently probing for support at CAD 1.34 in Europe. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.